In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Microsoft Excel with your Jotform appointment request form. If you've been looking for a way to automate your data flow and make your form submissions more efficient, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you gain confidence in integrating these two platforms effortlessly. First, let's head over to the Jotform form builder. If you're not familiar with this, don't worry. Simply open your web browser and go to your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your appointment request form within the form builder. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to build and customize your forms. Once you've accessed your form, you'll notice the toolbar at the top of your screen. For the next step, we're going to click on the Settings tab. This tab is your gateway to customizing how your form behaves and integrates with other software. Take a moment to explore these options, but today our focus will be on integrations. After you've clicked on Settings, look over to the left side of your screen and find the option labeled Integrations. Give that a click. This section is like a digital toolbox filled with various applications and services that you can connect with your form to enhance its functionality. The possibilities are vast, but today we're focusing on Excel. Now, in the search bar provided in the integration section, go ahead and type in Excel. It's a simple step, but powerful in what it unlocks. This will help us find the Microsoft Excel integration quickly. Once you've found Microsoft Excel in the list of integrations, click on it. This will initiate the process to connect your form's data directly to an Excel spreadsheet. By connecting these two, you'll enable an automatic data transfer, saving you time and effort in manually importing form responses. Next, you'll be prompted to select the template you want to use for this integration. Here, you can choose an existing template or customize your own based on what data you're collecting. Make sure to review the options carefully to ensure that the template aligns with your needs and the data structure you require. And there you have it! You've successfully integrated Microsoft Excel with your Jotform appointment request form. This setup will streamline your data processing, allowing you to focus on what matters most, analyzing the information collected and making informed decisions. Remember, automation is a powerful tool that, when used wisely, can significantly enhance efficiency in your workflow. Thank you for watching and happy